Apple has moved swiftly to counteract CVE-2023-37450, a zero-day bug affecting iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. The vulnerability impacts a WebKit browser component used in iPhones and iPads, as well as desktop macOS Ventura software. It can be exploited to trigger arbitrary code execution when processing web content. If your device is running versions prior to iOS 16.5.1a, iPadOS 16.5.1a, macOS Ventura 13.4.1a, or Safari 16.5.2, you could be at risk. Apple has already observed instances of zero-day exploitation of this vulnerability in the wild and recommend immediate action. As a result, security response update patches have been released to tackle this vulnerability. Since the onset of 2023, Apple has patched 10 zero-day flaws exploited in real-world attacks on iPhones, Macs, and iPads, highlighting the importance of keeping your software updated.